So this question says, which of these contains the greatest number of atoms? So it might be tempting to try and calculate the number of atoms to see which is bigger, but if you remember that a mole is a fixed number of atoms, all we need to do is find out how many moles of atoms there are, but we do need to be careful and watch out for that word atoms. So 127 milligrams of I2. So how many moles of I2 is that? Well, that would be 127 milligrams of iodine. So we would divide by 2 lots of 126.9. That would be the MR. So we want to do that. 127 times 10 to the minus 3 to get milligrams into grams, divided by the MR of iodine. Okay, that's giving us a number 5 times 10 to the minus 4, but that's of I2. So how many moles of iodine are there? We're going to double that and get 1 times 10 to the minus 3. So phosphorus is P4. So 1.54 times 10 to the minus 4 kilograms. So we want to make it into grams. Divide by 4 lots of the MR of P. But then we want to remember that we want to find it for atoms. So we're going to times by 4 to get rid of the P4 part. So we're going to do 1.54 times 10 to the minus 4. And we're getting 5 times 10 to the minus 3. So 81 milligrams in grams, divided by the MR of carbon dioxide, which is 44. So 81 divided by 44. So 1.84 times 10 to the minus 3. Now that has got 3 atoms in it, so we're going to times it by 3. 5.52 times 10 to the minus 3. Okay, so at the moment this is the biggest. And then we've got 1.70 times 10 to the minus 4 kilograms, so we make it into grams, divided by the MR of ammonia. Now ammonia, NH3, has got 4 atoms in it, so I'm going to times the answer by 4. Typing that in your calculator and I'm getting 0.04. That's the same as 4 times 10 to the minus 2, or 40 times 10 to the minus 3. So this is definitely the biggest of all of the answers we've got.